See in the background. We are using Scratch Jr. to draw. You might be wondering, why? Because I want to try new art, due to my lack of boredom. Unfortunately, this is a rant video. So we're ranting about my friend who we're calling Jenna. So we met in my first day of the drama club. So over the months we became really good friends. But after a year, me and my best friends were starting to notice that Jenna was toxic. We noticed that and we wanted to stay away from her. She saw that and started to trash talk us, to the point where she sent death threats. She even sweared at us, so I had enough and we told her we would ignore her until...
She stopped acting tough and actually cared about her friends.
Almost everyone hated her and would trash talk her back.
But I didn't want to get involved even though I knew I was the main target.
So that's all. She's depressed now and we just don't talk to her anymore.
Anyways, just watch the video in the BG.